Como Lake. It's in Coquitlam. Somebody fishing there. So I guess perfect place to just hang around, fish. There's a nice gravel path all around the lake, and it's a family place. There's Learn to Fish program this summer. There's a scouts group there. As we're walking around, here's another view from the other side of the lake. This lake is not for swimming, but you can bring a kayak here and just spend the day boating. And yeah, there's a nice gravel walk around the lake. It's never a bad idea to be walking around nature, but this is like a residential area, so some of the lucky few who can afford to live and $1 million homes in BC live here. There's a nice park. The other side, there's this is nice. So let's see if I can do a 360 of the entire lake from here. That is Como Lake. There's ducks down here. Still in Como Lake. We're in the wildlife section of the lake where there's no fishing allowed. Yeah, they're trying to restore the habitat from this side. What are this? Only wildlife here so far I've seen are geese and ducks. So it's nice though. It's another vantage point here. Oh, maybe we'll see some beaver action here. Perhaps not. So, look at those beautiful homes surrounding the lake. Yeah.